All right, guys, just got a package in from Stockcraft. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what it is. So here is the package. Let's open this thing up. Okay, we got a replacement Gold X Pro fixed blade with the DLC deep tooth cutter. We might have to put this on something, give it a go. Let's see what else we got in here. So we got a nice little bag. Okay, we got the Protege trimmer. Oh, look at that blade though. Oh, I'm excited to use this. Put this to the side. Y'all check this out. We got the new Gamma Boosted. Let's go. And then we got a little carrying bag right here. So we got some stuff in here. We got a nice little vent brush. What else do we got in here? Some Code B hair prep. Some street cream, fibrous cream. And then we got the bag right here. But honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm really excited about using this Gamma Boosted right here and using this new Protege trimmer with that new X Pro blade on it, the gold blade. We had to give these things a go today, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. But before we do that, let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's finish looking at what's in here. Okay. Boosted super torque motor. So as y'all can see, we got a red case, we got a gold case, and then we got a black case. Let's take this out. So we got the click lever on it. Gamma Boosted. So y'all check that out. I would turn it on, but our air compressor's on, so it's loud right now. I'll turn it on in a minute for y'all. But let's move this to the side. All right, so let's see what it comes with. We do get the dub guards, as y'all can see. We get the charging cord. We get the charging stand. Okay, Gamma, I see y'all. And then y'all know we get the brush with it. We get the extra levers, stretch bracket, our Gamma screwdriver per usual. And then we got these that honestly I really don't ever look at. So we're gonna chuck that to the side. I may look at this one. Okay, so it's just giving you the different ways to put the different brackets and levers on, but we don't need that right now. But yeah, so check it out. Let's get this clipper back over here. Let's check it out. All right, so here is the Gamma Boosted. It kind of feels like the Rebel. I'm pretty sure it's real similar to the Rebel, just Gamma's version of it. But we're gonna see. Let's see what else the box says. Tight or stretch taper length mods, super torque motor, 3 interchangeable body kits, black DLC blade, 7,200 RPMs, DC rotary motor. We get the dubs, USB micro charging cable, 3 hours of cordless runtime, adjustable zero gap blade, customizable click levers. And then over here we got, let's check this out. It's just basically the same thing I just read. But yeah, man, that's the clipper. We're gonna have to give this thing a go, put it to use today. I'll let y'all know what I think about it. Yeah, let's get it. You were just here last week, huh?
Huh?
You were just here last week, huh?
About a week and a half.
Oh, I seen your son, Xavier.
Yeah, no, I brought Papa's here, remember?
No, I'm saying I saw your son, Xavier, Saturday.
Where at?
His job.
Oh, you over there?
Yeah, I went over there.
Based on seafood on Spencer Highway?
Yeah.
Bro, it's so big and so fresh, and they don't have a slimy farm. They don't, and They have a more cleaner taste to them, bro. They taste so good.
Yeah.
And they're friggin' monster friggin' dude. But the oysters, if I ever want some oysters, I'm going to that place.
That's exactly what she meant. Your heart is in the right place. I'm not going to abandon this kid. You've never had an insult from the future that's looking to turn your skull into a fuckable ass. You don't need to.
All right, guys, so check it out. Once again, guys, here is the Gamma Boosted. So as y'all can see, it really resembles the Rebel, you know what I'm saying? When I used it, turned it on, really felt kind of like the Rebel did. I will say that I do happen to like this one a little better. And the main reason why is because it's quieter. I don't have the Rebel here with me at the house, but let me just turn this one on for y'all real quick. You probably can't tell on the video, but this one is slightly quieter than the Rebel, and that's why I like this That's why I like this one as of right now. Let's see if it stays quiet for long term. But initial thoughts of this clipper, I ain't gonna lie, super dope. Really like it. Really powerful. Cuts through any type of hair. I've been using it for about 2 days now. Fades really well. Takes bulk down good. I love the way it works with clipper over comb. And in my opinion, it just works really well. And I think this is probably gonna be another fan favorite from Gamma. Now, it does come with the fade blade, and me personally, I like the fusion blade better, but I'm not mad at this fade blade. Like, the fade blade is good, and for some reason, it happens to work really well on this clipper. I haven't had any issues taking out that bottom line. Work really, really well, and as of right now, guys, I think this is a really good clipper. Now, I don't know when this clipper is going to drop in the States. I don't know if it drops soon. I don't know if they're planning to drop it for CT. I have no idea, you know what I'm saying? I went to their website, and it's not on their website yet. All right, guys, real quick. When I did this video, there was no drop date on the Gamma Plus website, no price, but I just checked this morning, and they have a price and a drop date. So right now, pre-orders are starting at $199 for the Gamma Boosted, and then they will ship out and drop in June. So if you want this clipper, go to GammaPlusNA.com, use my discount code TANK10, save yourself a little bit of money. Let's get back to this video. I still don't know when this one is gonna drop, but when it does drop, I think a lot of people are gonna lean towards it. Now, once again, guys, it does have 2 other lids with it. It has a gold lid and a red lid that you can interchange. You know, Gamma always does stuff to where y'all can interchange parts. And but yeah, as of right now, I think it's a really good tool. Now, y'all also saw earlier in this video that they gave me this Protege trimmer with this new X Pro Gold blade. Now, I like the X Pro blade already as it is. I have it on my other absolute hitters, but the gold blade just happens to work a little better in my opinion. Now, if you have an absolute hitter, you know that this probably isn't the strongest trimmer, not the best trimmer for taking down bulk, but with this blade, it makes it a little easier. Now, I'm not saying you can get this and just mow through bulk like you could with any other trimmer, but this blade does make this trimmer better. And when I say this trimmer, I obviously mean either the absolute hitter with the standard blade or the Protege with the standard blade. Now, I don't know if the new Proteges are coming with this blade. I don't know about that. But if you do like the Gamma tools and the X Pro blade, I think you'll really like this Gold X Pro blade. So using this out the box, guys, it worked really well. Y'all saw me use it in my video. I also did get this blade. You know, this is more of the standard blade that comes with the absolute hitter. I haven't tried this blade yet. I might throw it on my trimmers later on. I'm not 100% sure yet. Might throw it on my other pair of absolute hitters. I have 2 other ones. So I might throw it on there and see what it does. But as of right now, guys, I really like this Gold X Pro blade. Works really, really good. I may have to zero gap it a little bit more. It didn't come super, super short, but it does work well. And then once again, guys, this Gamma Boosted, really like it. I'm not sure if it's my go-to right now, because y'all know how your boy is, man. When I get something new, I like using it just because it's new, right? So I may use this for a while. Y'all see me put out some tutorials with it. But nonetheless, guys, that's my initial thoughts on the Gamma Boosted and the new Stylecraft X Pro Gold Blade. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. If you are interested in any Gamma or Stylecraft tools, you can actually go to their websites and use my discount code TANK10, save yourself a little bit of money. But like I was saying, guys, for this video, I appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.